Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious diced potatoes. Begin by selecting 2 large russet potatoes, ensuring they are firm and have no green spots. Wash and peel them carefully, then dice them into uniform 1/2-inch cubes. This consistent size is crucial for even cooking. After dicing, place them in a colander and rinse thoroughly under cold water for about 2 minutes. This step removes surface starch, which helps achieve a wonderfully crispy exterior. After rinsing, it is essential to completely dry your potato cubes. Use a clean kitchen towel or several sheets of paper towels to pat them until no moisture remains. Next, in a large bowl, toss the dry potatoes with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of coarse salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Ensure every piece is lightly coated. Then, heat a large, heavy-bottomed skillet, ideally cast iron, over medium-high heat for about 3 minutes before adding the seasoned potatoes. Once your skillet is hot, carefully spread the seasoned potato cubes in a single layer. Avoid overcrowding the pan. If necessary, cook them in 2 batches to ensure proper browning. Let them cook undisturbed for about 7 to 8 minutes. During this initial phase, the direct contact with the hot pan helps create that desirable crispy, golden brown crust on one side. Keep the heat at a steady medium-high to achieve this perfect caramelization without burning the edges. After the initial browning, stir the potatoes well, scraping any bits from the bottom of the pan. Then let them cook for another 5 minutes. Next, reduce the heat to medium-low and cover the skillet tightly. Cook the potatoes for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, allowing them to steam and become tender throughout. Finally, uncover the pan, increase the heat back to medium-high, and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, to achieve that ultimate crispy texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.